Hi everybody, this is Jen, and I wanted to show you some stuff that I intend to do with my BeeBeeCraft product. So go to BeeBeeCraft.com. I have a coupon code of POSH5 right here for $5 off your order of $40 or more. And these are the frames that I got, and there are actually 10 of each. There was a little confusion about that in my share video. But they are CRES-OC001-05, and I have these frames. I have some rice paper from Artistic Studio Creations that have some works of art in them, some classics. So I thought we could make these frames a little bit of antique and use those. Now, having said that, these white ones are already this really cool pearlescent opal, so I don't even know that I would have to do anything to all of those. I mean, I want some of them different, but it's a really cool concept. So I'm going to set these off to the side, and I'm just going to do one of each for right now, and hang on out for my process and my end result. And here we go.